Welcome back, students, with our next video, chapter 3, yoga and lifestyle, and today's topic is obesity. We all, it is a problem, worldwide problem, not only our country, not only our state, not only our district, or not only our locality. Today, if we search here in our locality or local base, we will found near about 70% of total people, they are suffering from obesity. What is obesity? It is a condition. It is a condition in which a person accumulated with extra body fat in his or her body. This type of person, they are mainly suffering from heart disease, respiratory problem, or fat food, cancer, etc. Various types of disease. Actually, how we can found a person as a obese or obesity? According to the BMI, or if we found the formula of BMI, that means weight in kg divided by height in meter square. Weight in kg divided by height in meter square. If a person belongs 30 and above, then we call the person he or she is suffering from obesity. And what are the causes of obesity? The causes of obesity, first cause is genetics. Genetic. If two, that means both or one parent can suffer or belong obese, then the person may be suffering from obesity or obese. Obesity can transfer through gene also. That means genetics cause are there. Next, overeating. If a person can eat over or eat much that they or he or she no needs, or if a person can take much calorie that they don't need or that he or she don't need, then the extra calorie can store as fat, then he or she may suffer from obesity. Next, frequent eating. Frequent eating. Sometimes a person you can see that a person eating near about 5 minutes after 5 minutes, now he eat, then after 5 minutes he can eat something another. So that frequent eating can create obesity. Why? because the extra calorie his or she is taking with the frequent eating, that calorie can store as a fat. That's why he or she can suffer with obesity. Next, psychological factor. Psychological factor. If a person can suffer with various types of psychological problem, that time he or she can either lowering the eating frequency or increase the eating frequency. If he or she can lowering the eating frequency, that means in our previous class in unit 2, where we discussed that pitfalls of diet, that a person who skip the meal, that time our metabolism can lowering and it can gain the weight. So if he or she lowering the frequency of eating, then he or she can gaining the weight. And another type, if they change or increase the frequency of eating, then also can gain their weight. So he or she can suffer from obesity. So these are the factors, and we discussed what is obesity. Obesity is a condition where a person can accumulated with extra fat in his or her body. That's called obesity. So this how we can survive, or how we can change our obesity problem, we can discuss in our next video. There is some yoga exercise where we can decrease our weight or can save from obesity. We will discuss in our next video. So till then, goodbye, stay home, stay safe.